Hello and welcome to another video from Miniature Tanks Company. In this video, we're going to be assembling this big, huge tank. This is a paper panzer, I believe is what they called. Concept panzer, one that was never built. Maybe this turret was built, I think. Maybe. Check your sources, look it up. It's the Ratte tank, Landkreuzer or something. So, comes in all these different pieces. Right now I'm holding each O scale. It's quite large. Sold in the little scale, 12mm, 15mm, or also known as 1/100 scale, and then this HO scale. Well, I'm going to take some of these pieces, put them off this side, and let's actually get some of this glued together. So, I just need to figure out what's what. There you go, see how that will glue together. And then these ones, they go in there. And then these go there. These go there. I believe this turret's like a mouse turret. It's probably, so, you know, that mouse tank was already really large. Imagine on this concept. Alright, then you can put this there, see? So it's coming together. Alright, so before we assemble this here, I'm just going to mention that you can buy these dowels here. And these holes are meant for these dowels. So you can get the correct length of dowel in there, or the correct diameter. Put a bunch of glue, wood glue, whatever. Just put it in there, and then glue. And then, you know, can take this piece. And that will help it keep stable. But for the purpose of this video, I'm going to do the optional step of skipping the dowels and just glue it together like that. And then that'll be fine. It'll be fine. So let's glue. I'm going to use this Gorilla Glue here. You can use any glue you wish. Loctite glue, whatever kind of modeling glue you wish. I'm just using this glue because I have extra on hand and probably should use a lot of it since it's a large surface area. So I'm just going to put it in just kind of all over the place. Alright, so I added all that. So let's put this piece together like so. If you have a really large clamp, you could try that. But for now, I'm just going to use my strengths, or just pressing it like that. Once you have that in a good position, that should be good to go. And you know, while that is gluing, I don't want to disturb it too much. You can take these two little guns, and I'm going to use Loctite glue for this because it's a faster setting glue. Just put that glue there. Put that gun in there, and then let's put it on the other side. This is the assembly process for this big tank. If you are wishing to buy it, it's available at miniaturetanks.com. Alright, so there's those two front guns. Alright, so that's sticking together pretty well. Up next is right here. Take these off for now. So let's go ahead and get some more glue placed. Now, I'm going to go ahead and fast forward this video, but the idea is just put a bunch of glue there. Alright, so I placed a bunch of glue there. Let's go ahead and put it together. I'm just using the flat surface of the table to help me with that. Alright, so there you go. There probably will be this seam line. That's the way it will be. What you can do to camouflage that, of course, is put some putty in there, sand it down, probably putty, something like that. Sand that down, and then just fill in that gap, that line. And so that way when you paint it, it won't appear, this seam line. So last but not least, let's go ahead and glue this next piece together. So there we go. And like before, I'm going to go ahead and fast forward and put a bunch of glue here. Alright, so there's that glue. Now, let's go ahead and clip that just in case that little mark there. Alright, so then put that piece together. Like I said, all these seam lines, you can go ahead and put some putty in there, help get them nice. Well, there's that main body of it. It's coming together. Oop. Make sure once you get that glue in there to keep it in place. Now let's go ahead and put these AA guns on there. And then these big rear mouse turrets, you know, huge. Last but not least is this big turret here and these guns. Just want to place these in there. So I'm going to just test fit them a little bit. There you go. And then put some glue in there. There's that. Now let's get these turrets, or these guns, into this turret. And then of course you can just visualize it, make sure it's going straight. Then you can place this there. There is the huge rat tank. For scale comparison, this is all HO scale that I'm dealing with, but all the scaled items that I sell in the shop are all the same scaling situation for whatever scale they're sold at. So there's the T3485, there's the Stug German Heft truck that I include in painted M3 Lee, and there it is. That's the rat tank, available at miniaturetanks.com. Thank you so much for watching. This was the assembly video. Just a few pieces that you need to glue together. It'll come in that way. It's a model kit. Thank you so much for watching.